Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening the highest quality source and immediately duplicating the background so you never lose original pixels. Once done, convert to a smart object to keep edits reversible. Make sure your color profile and image size match output needs. Next, apply Camera Raw filter for first-pass fixes. Correct exposure, tint, and contrast to restore overall tone. You should also apply subtle detail sharpening here. This gives a clean foundation for later localized work and prevents overprocessing downstream. Once the global base is solid, move into selective retouching to address local problems. You'll use curves and levels on adjustment layers for targeted contrast and color balance, and paint masks to limit effects. For texture issues, apply noise reduction first and then reintroduce detail with a high-pass layer set to overlay. Mask it so only edges sharpen. For blemishes and sensor spots, use spot healing and clone stamp on separate layers. That way you can blend corrections smoothly and preserve original texture. You finish by fine-tuning color and output settings. Apply a subtle color lookup or gradient map and always inspect at 100% to confirm detail. Once satisfied, save a layered PSD and export optimized files with proper resolution and compression for the intended use. If you see halos, banding, or noise after export, undo or reduce aggressive sharpening and noise reduction. Alternatively, use frequency separation or selective Gaussian blur on problem areas to smooth artifacts without.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.